Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my name's Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So let's start our trading session. We are gonna open position for the maximum deposit amount. We trade on a 1 minute time frame, so let's pick the currency pairs with the best payout rate. I think this ones would be now, and let's pick indicators for today. I guess the Bollinger Band in combination with the RCI will do trick. So we are gonna use the setup of indicators today, and don't forget to set period to 13 and the deviation 2 on the Bollinger Band, and also set the period to 13 on the RCI. So we got it. So let's start analyzing. Here we go, we see a nice trade entry. Let's open a short position, take a look. And here, guys, we see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel on the Bollinger Band. It tells us that the price should reverse to the downside. The downward dynamics also takes place. And look at this huge pump that is typical for these moments. And basically, this pump should be over by now. Our two signals confirm that. Also, if we look at the RCI, the reversal is also expected here. That's why we opened the short position, guys. The price is remaining at the same level, around the trade entry level, but I think we are gonna see the breakout at the end and we will end up in profit. We have some extra time. Let's watch, guys. Looks really close. And yes, guys, the first one is in profit. Excellent trade entry, guys. So it was close. The position ended up in profit anyway. We calculated this perfectly. Our signal played out. The first one is in the profit, and let's find another currency pair. So let's continue trading, guys. We are gonna find the better payout rate. Let's open a long here. I think this is also a good one, but this time we are expecting the price to go up. It's all the same here. The upward dynamics, the touch of the lower boundary of the channel is happening. Theoretically, the support zone is playing out here. We can also observe a good correction from this level. And basically, there is a minimum point on the RCI for a long time, and the breakout is likely to happen and the price should go up. Basically, the breakout has already happened, and let's watch the next price moments. There are 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's simply wait. Nice. The second one has been closed with a profit. So we are looking for the better payout rate and continue analyzing. Let's open a long position here. I will point out the workspace. Quite good payout rate and a nice trade entry. I guess we are not looking at the RCI now because here is sideways prevails, no crossings. Here we observe a good correction to the downside overall. We can say that this is the uptrend, the updating of the local highs and lows takes place. We can also see several breakouts above the line here, and basically this is quite simple. After this pullback and the touch right here, I think the breakout to the upside is imminent. That's why we open the long position, guys. The breakout is gaining moments, by the way, because here is the uptrend, and after previous correction breakout followed up every time. I don't think that there is gonna be an exception. And another position is in the profit, guys, perfectly calculated as usual, and there is no stopping here. Let's find the next currency pair. Carry on the analysis and find the better payout rate. Let's open a long position here. We've already found a good trade entry. Previously, the price we are moving in the sideways, and the strong correction followed up. The local lows was updated, and basically you can point out some kind of triangle here. Now the price is going up to its recovery. Look at this small correction that are typical for these moments. And also there were no crossing on the RCI, so double signals, guys, to open a long here. We already have a nice breakout here. I think it was correct trade entry, and the crossing on the RCI just happened here, and the volatility is getting lower now. No big deal, and there is literally several seconds left before the closing. Yes, we got it. Okay, guys, and it turned out to be profitable to us. So let's refresh the page. Well, we are good. Let's continue our trading session and find the next currency pair. Just updated the trade amount, and let's find the better payout rate. Touch of the zone did happen here, and we can already see the breakout theoretically. The breakout could gain moments in the short term, and but I'd rather wait for the price to go slightly lower. That's why I will open a short position following the trend direction. Situation is similar but in reverse. There is our triangle here, and look at this level that we saw previously. The touch of the zone did happen here, and the price should go lower then. The local high was updated here, and then we observe huge correction, then a little pullback was formed here, after which I am expecting to see the price going lower, and the position should be in profit, guys. And the price should reach this support zone first, and only then change its direction in theory. Yes, another position has been closed with a profit, guys. Let's open two long positions here, good trade entries, I guess, so take a look. The upward dynamics prevails here. Let's point out the previous price range. This price corridor took place here. Then I guess you got it from the previous trades, and the touch did happen here, and the quite good correction right after that. Now the price remained at this level, and it could indicate that the price will go up in the short term. That's why we open a long position here, and we already see a good breakout. The price rebound has also happened here because the correction was quite noticeable. The price was holding at the same level. We see that these candles have long shadows, and I guess we got a few more trades in profit, guys. We got 3,700 on the balance. We got 3,700 on the balance, so we are not gonna drag this out. Let's find the next trade entry. We are looking for the most profitable payout rate. Let's open 3 short positions here. Again, we open with the trend direction. Let's point out this price range. And also take a look at this range. Basically, the touch did happen here, after which the price went up in little. But after this high volatility candle, I am expecting the price to go lower. So that's why we open our short position. We already see a long shadow, and I am expecting to see the breakdown, and the position should end up in profit, guys. There are around 10 seconds left, and there is absolutely nothing to worry about. Yes, like I said, guys, absolutely nothing to worry about. We have eventually get caught the breakout here, and the position has been closed in profit, guys. There is no stopping here. We are gonna open a few more positions, and let's change the currency pair for that. Let's also find the better payout rate. Лампочка на полминуты опять. Let's continue analyzing and find the most promising currency pair, and we see that the price start moving up here. Correction is over here finally, that's why we open 6 long position here. Let's point out this important price range. Let me explain the price movements. We see the pullback from this level, the updating of the local highs, then this massive dump. The price entered this price range again, and now we see more upward dynamics here. That's why I'm sure that the pump is imminent here. That's why we open a long position following the trend direction. And we can already see nice breakout. Actually, we can see similar pump here on this level, and we see the same things. So there was no mistake again, and we got almost about $12,000 on the balance. Excellent outcome. I'm happy to see. And this is where I stopped for today, and let's get down to withdraw. Let's put down $11,700 here. Continue button, and our transaction has been processed, guys. We got $156 on left on the balance. I will touch the screen where it's done, so thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.